What's the meaning of canola? Canola. Canola.
Canola. Canola. Canola is a type of edible oil that is derived from the seeds of the canola plant. The name canola is actually a contraction of Canadian oil, low acid, which reflects the fact that the plant was developed in Canada and produces an oil with low levels of erucic acid. Canola oil is widely used in cooking and baking because it has a neutral flavor, high smoke point, and low levels of saturated fat. It is also used in various industrial applications, such as lubricants and biodiesel fuel.